Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about a case study on healthcare sector. So we can briefly discuss on the problems faced by the psychiatrists as well as neurologist level healthcare sectors briefly with Lojna. And here with me today is second year girls and they have recently worked on a project related to healthcare. So we can deeply dive into the topic. Lojna, you can carry on.
So I'm going to talk about the scenario of deep data set model. In deep data set model, we use EEG system to extract the emotions gathered by the users, and there are 32 channels in EEG models, and there are also valence, arousal, and dominance levels, and they will be extracting the process.
It's okay. They will be extracting the process like what kind of process they will be extracting?
They will be extracting the level of user's brain and using machine learning HVM model, they used to produce the output.
So I can say that the healthcare sector also using nowadays the coding, ML, AI. Yeah. So you are relating or you are using the AI into the healthcare sector. Okay. Okay. How it is going to happen and what kind of people you are targeting?
The people you are targeting is like psychiatrists and those who are working with the neurologists. So many people, many students are currently under stress and many the doctors are able to relate the emotions correctly.
Okay.
So if you are under stress or like you are happy or for neurologists these are important things to undergo something like this.
So there's minute variation in the human's behavior they can able to detect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how about it will be how you can tell that it will be helpful for the neurologist and all?
Because nowadays people, most importantly, children are not expressing what they really feel about. So I think our the sense of EEG would easily able to recognize what they.
So they have to have a deep conversation with someone and they will be having the sensor attached in their body. How it is. So that is a hardware product.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how it is the hardware is connected to something like how it is.
So if we let's just take an example. Ma'am. So if Kavita is going to watch some movies, we are going to take a review from her. Ma'am. So we are going to take the review and then we are going to give this as input. So from there we will be having some graph-like output. Ma'am. So it will just show what will be the output. Like if she is happy means how much level she is, like how much happy she is. So if she's sad after watching those videos, how much sad she is. So we are all going to gather those information.
Okay, you talked about how much happy she is, how much sad she is. They can able to we can able to see the minute details in the graph. How about emotions like anxious?
Yes, sir. Those emotions will also be detected using this.
Okay. So the different kinds of emotion it will be detected by. Okay. How it will be helping the patients as well as doctor? How do you think? In what extent the timeline settings about the normal procedures like symptoms will be going on? How it is possible to reduce it?
There is an example in EEG model. In recent Stranger Things series is there, it is popular series, and there is a character named Lana. Yes, there is that series. The scientist will be using her, with her help, they will be controlling everything. She used to control everything with her brain.
Okay.
They use a sensor called, they will be using one hardware and they will be getting balance where through the brain how she is using to use to control every object and emotions. That will be reflecting through graphics.
Okay. So if any abnormalities in the behavior of this patient, the healthcare sector neurologist or the psychiatrist can easily understand.
Yes, ma'am.
So thereby come up with the correct treatment they can able to give. Okay. So is this only given to or only used by only this neurologist and psychiatrist?
It is also helpful to normal people also now, because nowadays the IT members get too much stress. So in that time they also use one of the first phase we are using their software. Then the software members use their first phase. They can detect how much they are happy and how much they are sad.
So I can tell it is like human friendly. If it is nowadays like a diabetic checking machine nowadays inside the home and BB checking machine inside the home as a normalized, we can make it normalized nowadays.
We can also predict the intensity, how happy she is, how much, whether we can able to control that or not. According to that, treatment will be proceeded.
Like the dominance.
Do you think why nowadays this much of anxious, this much of variation to the emotions happening with the child especially?
Pressure from the society and the expecting more from children.
Okay, I agree it is like pressure from society, expectation more from children. How about is there any contact with the food habits?
Nowadays they are like eating more fast foods and stuff. It's actually more unhealthy to them and it's leading like
It can affect the mental health also.
But I can even tell one more thing, like it is like a genetical transmission, right? Through the mom's yes, mom's health conditions or dad's health conditions is transmitting. Is it like that? Are you agreeing with that?
Neuro level of the genes. Really.
Okay, neural level of the disease. So it's possible. It is okay. So you are developing a system that can able to help.
Yes, ma'am. Machine learning model.
Okay, you are using the machine. Actually, the machine learning is the father of AI, right? So you are. So how much you are into it? In what phase you are?
so we are currently in the phase 1 and then we are going to use in phase 2 we will be like using the raw signals and we are going to clear the noises from it because the machines won't understand the raw input we are going to give. So we are going to clear every unwanted things from the input and then we are going to make it into a numerical thing. So so that the input will be understood by the machine.
So see you soon with the original prototype. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.